vibration starts slowly. Heavy pressure pulses hitting wide gaps. Dark atmosphere spreads in stereo space. Metallic shock waves echo far. Tension builds with a melody. Feels like a charging crowd.